going on, guys? Freezer Bound Outdoors. Today we're coming to you with this sweet little 4-inch mini chainsaw. Saker sent this to us to do a review on. You guys can see the kit that I got right here. We're going to go over all that and where to find this here in a second. Okay, guys. Here it is once again. Safety button, trigger. Has a couple guards on it here. Super lightweight. 20 volt max. So they sent this kit here. I'm going to take you guys out in a second. I have a tree limb going across in front of my one hunting blind. We're going to go cut that off. It's about that big around. Also, the whole way around the house we have apple trees. So this is going to come in handy. I get the boss out there. She'll be able to prune it a little bit quicker. So here's the kit they sent. Saker mini electric chainsaw. There's lots of reviews on these guys on YouTube, and you can also read the reviews. Obviously, I took the chainsaw out of here. That's the other battery compartment. They sent me an extra battery, instruction booklet, charger, and a couple of tools, and a little bit of oil. So that's the kit that I got. I believe this is the $89 kit. They got 3 kits, 3 different options for under $100. So, I mean, this would make a pretty good gift with the holidays coming up soon. So, let's put this away. I'll show you the website real quick. The website is smartsaker.com. As you guys can see here, they are running a sale right now. Let me go down and show you the packages down here. So right here you can see they got a $79.99, $99, $129, and $89.99. This is the $89.99 one, and like I said, they're on sale right now. That's free shipping too, so you're going to get it for that plus tax. So let's go out and see what we can do with this guy. There's the hunting blind. 2 branches, Saker, 4-inch electric chainsaw. Make sure you wear safety goggles. That's higher. Okay. Works pretty good. I like it. This may actually stay in the side-by-side, so if we're going down a path and there's a long one, it's hard to move, just whoop, whoop. Let's go see what else we can do with this thing. All right, guys, I'm going to hit this little pine tree up here. Okay, guys, as you just seen, little guy has some power. It's super sharp. Nice having the extra battery. We cut right through those branches pretty easy. So Very impressed so far. I can't wait to get on the pruning the apple trees here soon. Like I said, they got a couple different kits. They have a 6-inch version of this, all under $100, free shipping. A couple sales going on right now. So go over and check them out. It's smartsaker.com. The links will be in the description. So make sure you head over. What a great gift. My parents own a property right down the road. They're going to get one for Christmas because they cut a lot of branches off. And this is way more convenient than a full-size chainsaw. Hope you guys enjoyed the review. Check us out. We got more reviews coming. Go check out Saker.